right, Poppy, are you ready?
Yeah!
Grab an egg.
Alright, open that one.
What's in there?
Daddy!
A blind bag?
Yeah!
Alright, let's see what's in it. Alright, here it is. What's in our first blind bag?
Alright, you're gonna pull it out.
Pull it out of there.
It's TV, the cake!
Who is it? Creek?
Yeah!
It's Creek!
Oh no, another one. Okay.
So we have our super special troll blind bag eggs and blind bags. And Princess Poppy, let's see who's in our next
Alright, let's see.
blind bag. Who's in there? Come on, Ellie. Who do we got? It's a yellow guy, orange guy with yellow hair. Woo! Gonna make him dance.
Okay, another egg.
Okay, let's see who's in this one. Who do we got?
Sleepy
It's
troll.
Sleepy Troll.
I need to read the egg!
She's so sleepy. No night. Okay, who do we got? Who's it gonna be? Oh, it's glittery pink guy diamond troll.
Girl diamond.
Yeah, girl diamond. So sparkly. Okay, what's it gonna be? Who's in there? Wait. Ah!
Poppy.
Poppy!
Hold on, baby.
No troll left behind! Get our next egg.
Yay!
Is that so sparkly? Whoa!
Oh.
No, Daddy!
What's gonna be in our blind bag? What's in there? Can you open it?
Yay!
What's it gonna be? Who is it? Who is it? What color's the hair? It's another Poppy! Ah! Poppy, who's our next troll gonna be? Guy Diamond. Okay, let's see who it is. Poppy thinks it's Guy Diamond. Let's see. I see pink hair. It's Girl Diamond.
Oh my goodness!
Woo! You were close, Poppy. You were close. Wait, who do we have here?
Ah, Guy
It's
Diamond.
Guy Diamond.
And ocean.
What's he sing? Can you sing?
Yeah!
Maddox, which one do you want to open, buddy?
I need to open this one.
This one? All right. Ellie says this one. Can you
Go.
open it? All right, let's see who we got. Who's in there? I see orange hair. Oh, it's another orange dude. Woo! Who's in this one? Who's it gonna be? Oh, I see.
Ready!
Sleepy Troll. Let's see it. Ah, Sleepy Troll, Sleepy Troll. All right, let's see who we got so far. This is our collection from our Series 1 blind bags. Still missing Branch and a couple others, but we got 2 Poppies. All right, here we go. Let's see who else we're gonna get. Who's in our next blind bag? Someone's excited. Who did we get? Can you open it? Hey, bud. The Destroyer. Coming to eat the trolls. You're a Bergen. No, you're not a Bergen. You're pretty sweet. Mwah. All right, who do we get? Is that somebody? Yeah, it's a yellow-haired lady girl troll. Let's add her to the collection. All right, we only got a few left. Who's in this one? Blue hair, it's Branch. Woo, you got another Branch. Yeah, I'm totally prepared for the Bergens. Ah! All right, Poppy and Mad Dog, for our grand finale, we got 3 blind bags at once. Everybody, shake your hair and feel united. Here we go, 3 blind bags at once for the grand finale. Who's in blind bag number 1? Oh, there's some paper. And we have
Ready!
yellow-haired lady. Lady Girl Troll. Woo-hoo. And who's this? Who's in this one? Who is it?
A puppy.
Poppy! No wait, it's Poppy! We got 3 poppies! Woo! And who's in our last blind bag? Who's it gonna be? It's Branch! Ah! Can you make Poppy and Branch dance? Say dance, 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 dance. Ah!
Can't stop the feeling.
Alright guys, thanks for watching Blind Bags and Easter egg opening. Thanks Poppy. Peace out Girl Scouts. Woo!